Mocha Mousse, what is this Pantone colour of the year that everybody's talking about? Hi, I'm Wilkin, and today we'll be unboxing the Edge 50 Neo in Pantone's colour of the year, Mocha Mousse. So today we'll be unboxing the Edge 50 Neo in our all-new Pantone colour of the year, Mocha Mousse. First things first, you'll notice that the box is really nice and premium with a Pantone sticker and also the Edge 50 Neo logo on the front. Now let's see what's inside. Wow, look at that. The phone's right on top and looking sleek. Let me just take it out of its protective wrapping. There it is, the Motorola Edge 50 Neo in Mocha Mousse with the colour match case from a good company that comes in the box. Look at this colour. It's beautiful, stylish, and this metal finish gives such an amazing contrast. It's thinner and more compact than you would expect from a modern smartphone. The Edge 50 Neo was designed to be durable, engineered to meet military standards for durability, featuring IP68 underwater protection and damage-resistant Corning Gorilla Glass. The main camera system is a super versatile 50 megapixel with optical image stabilization. The secondary camera is a 10 megapixel camera with 3 times optical zoom and a 13 megapixel camera to capture ultra-wide shots. There's a super manageable 6.4 inch POLED display with 120 Hz refresh rate. The Edge 50 Neo is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 chipset. There's also tons of storage built in. Now let's see what else we have in here. We have our documentation, including a quick start guide, warranty card, and of course the SIM tray ejector tool to get you switched over ASAP. We also have the USB-C cable, which can be used in a 68-watt turbo power charger, or you could charge wirelessly over 15 watts. So there you have it, the Edge 50 Neo unboxed and ready for action. So thank you very much for watching. Please leave us a comment and let us know what you want to see next.
Hello, Moto.